What's up, guys? Dennis here, EDC for Fun. I'm in the middle of this video and I got distracted. Had some batteries come in for this G-Shock that you see here that's not working, and I just decided I'm not going to finish this other video. I'm just going to go ahead and change this battery. So let's do it. So there you have it, G-Shock, tried and true. It's like a $50 watch. Had it for a long time, going on 10 years. It's an awesome beater watch. Does everything I ask it to do. And yeah, really don't have to say much more about it. Absolutely love it. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless you.